welcome back to my channel. I am Alexis Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair, and I'm also going to reinstall my wig. Y'all, I had to take my wig off because I was putting like a lot of hair products in my wig, and over time, you know, that hair product builds up and it just caused a lot of chaos to the wig that I no longer want. So I ended up just taking off my wig and I washed and everything. I'm gonna show y'all the whole entire process. We're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy, but under this bonnet I have some Trick Daddy braids in. So when y'all see it, please do not come for me in the comment section because I am going to be upset. Well, I mean, they are Trick Daddies. I mean, every girl gets Trick Daddy under their wigs. So don't come for me. I'm going to say that again. Please don't come for me. But I hope you guys like, comment if you guys are new to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video. And that's on what? That's on period. So now I'm gonna put my wig on. It's already been cut and everything else. Yeah, I'm really just reinstalling it for real. Like, I did not have much to do besides like make sure that the hair is out of the way. Like, everything is already done. Like, it's already this is almost the finishing product. Almost, keyword. Almost the finishing product. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just comb out my curls with this side of the comb. Okay, y'all, so this will be the ending of my video. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys actually enjoyed it, and I hope you guys actually took some tips. But y'all, end up going with the swoop style because I really like this style on me. This style is so cute. It's like so perfect. I end up curling it at the ends because I was really tired of straight hair for some reason. It was like, no, like, girl, I need to curl it. So I end up going in with this low-key wand curl that I got from Walmart, and that's why it looks like this, because it's not really a wand curl. But y'all, I want a crimp curler, so if anybody can tell me where to get a good crimp curler from, I most definitely appreciate that. I will be happy for that because I need me a crimp curler, because crimps will most definitely be cute on this style. But yeah, I'm gonna leave everything I use in the description box below, down from the shampoo, conditioner, down to my little wax, and it smells so good. Hey, ooh, it smells so refreshing. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below, but I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guess what? I'm gone.